Are you thinking about making updates and renovations to your Arizona home here in 2025? Well, friends, if you're still clinging to the gray on gray and the shiplap dreams, it is time for a quick reality check. Let's talk about what is hot and what is not in home renovations this year, Arizona style. Hey everyone, I'm Katie Evans, owner and lead agent of the Living 48 real estate team here at Real Broker, and I'm gonna start this video with a little bit of a caveat, okay? This is a little bit tongue-in-cheek. You're allowed to have your own style preferences. I'm just gonna share with you a few thoughts that many designers have right now for what is trending in 2025 for the Arizona real estate market and kind of some Arizona looks. All right, so let's talk about what's hot in 2025. So here in Arizona, of course, we like our desert-friendly landscaping, but we're gonna do it with a little bit of a flair, okay? So forget your basic gravel yards, that is so basic. We're talking about amazing drought resistance plants, geometric pavers. We're talking about uplighting and boulders with attitude. I mean, come on, let's talk about some luxury desert vibes. That is what we're going for if we're gonna be redoing that yard. All right, the second thing we're gonna talk about are cool roofs and reflective exteriors. Bet you haven't thought about that before, because when you live in Arizona, your roof is probably not doing you a whole lot of favors in the month of July or August. Baby, you are just burning money, right? Okay, there are light colored tiles, reflective coatings, even some reflective barriers in your attic, and even such a thing as solar shingles, believe it or not. It is function and fashion for your roof and your exteriors. Number 3, let's get into our kitchens. And kids, we are going moody. Let's go moody. White kitchens, super cute. You're so pretty. Actually, I don't hate them, but let's go moody. Let's talk about navies. Let's talk about forest greens. Let's talk about even maybe a matte black. All right, wood accents, natural stone. You guys, it's a whole different vibe. We are giving off modern desert looks. All right, number 4. Here in Arizona, we love our outdoor living. We do it year round, and we want to have goals to be able to utilize that space year round as well. So now we're talking about misting systems. We're talking about retractable awnings, possible poolside lounges with some fans. Yes, please. We want to turn your backyard into that second living room. That sounds amazing to me. All right, number 5. I love this one. Textured walls and statement ceilings. Yes, fluted panels, lime wash, wallpapered ceilings. Yes, please. Oh my gosh. Texture is back. It is not shy. Your walls shouldn't be boring, honey. All right, so many ways to keep them from being boring. Number 6, let's talk about our multi-use spaces, okay? You got a spare bedroom, it's just sitting there. Guys, come on. Let's make a great guest suite / home gym / office combo. We're not wasting square footage here in 2025. All right, number 7, smart home everything. You guys have heard me talk about smart home technology so much until I'm blue in my face, but truth of the matter is, if you don't have some smart home technology in your house, you're missing out. So if your thermostats, your light, and your doorbell aren't like voice activated, run by an app, check your cameras on your phone, well then we need to really talk. All right, now let's talk about what is not in 2025. And this, again, is the opinion of many designers, so don't come at the messenger. Gray on gray on gray. Guys, that chilly 2010 vibe and 2011 is totally out. We're moving on. We're moving into warm earth tones. Think terracottas, think sand, think sun-drenched clay. So Arizona. Go with the Arizona colors, you guys. We live here. It's fun. Let's do it. All right. Another, it's out, and this is totally taste specific, but the designers are saying we're over the shiplap overload. We love Joanna Gaines. I love Joanna Gaines. But the farmhouse trend has left the building. Try vertical slats. Try sleek wood panels. Those are some great options to try out instead. All right, giant bathtubs in tiny bathrooms. Giant bathtubs in tiny bathrooms. A freestanding tub in a powder size room? No, thank you. Go for the big grande luxe shower instead. Go with spa energy without breaking your layout. Okay, like just work with the room. Don't try and make it something it's not size wise. It's just, yeah, not working. Okay, my last one. Faux finishes. Buyers are over the fakes. We either want real wood, real stone, real value, or don't do it at all. All right, none of that faux stuff. If you want the look, make sure you're investing in the feel as well. In 2025, it's all about making your home look great and how you live in it even better. So especially here in the desert, whether you are planning to sell soon or you are just refreshing your space and you're gonna be there for a whole heck of a long time, the right upgrades can actually boost your home's value. So let's talk about that. So if you're not sure which trends are actually gonna pay off and you're looking to sell that home, so you're looking to invest in those trends, then let's have a call. I will help you come up with the smartest plan, help you make the smartest decisions and the most stylish choices. Happy to do that. So give me a call, shoot me a text, let's have a chat about helping your home glow up in here in 2025. Thanks so much for watching another one of our videos, and we'll catch you on our next one.